Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your router supports 5 GHz wireless bands and dual-band operation. Check the router model number and update firmware to the latest stable release before configuring settings. Verify each client device supports 5 GHz by checking specifications or network settings on phones and laptops. Place the router centrally, elevated, and avoid obstructions within 3-5 meters when possible for better coverage. Have administrator credentials and an Ethernet cable ready for direct access during setup and troubleshooting. Access the router admin interface via Ethernet or secure Wi-Fi and log in with admin credentials. Create a unique SSID for the 5 GHz band and set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password immediately. Set the channel width to 80 MHz for highest throughput or 40 MHz when interference is present on neighboring networks. Choose a non-DFS channel like 36, 40, 44, or 48 to reduce automatic radar-induced drops in many regions. Save settings and apply changes, then connect a test device to the new 5 GHz SSID and confirm the connection in network settings immediately. Remember that 5 GHz offers faster throughput but shorter range than 2-4 GHz, so place clients within effective coverage areas. Run speed tests near the router and at target locations to compare real performance and latency metrics. If available, enable band steering to encourage compatible devices to use the 5 GHz band automatically for best performance. Manually connect stationary devices to the 5 GHz SSID and adjust transmit power or channel selection if interference appears.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.